Hello, dear students. Now we shall discuss on the question answers of this lesson. The first question is, what was Franz expected to be prepared with for school that day? That day, Franz was expected to be prepared with participles because the day before the class was given the homework to prepare the participles. That is why he was expected for it. The second question is, what did Franz notice that was unusual about the school that day? Before that day, there was hustle and bustle in the classroom, noises of closing and opening the desk, the drawer, and the repetition of the children of the oral studies. On that day, when Franz reached the school, he was on the road. So out of the classroom, on the road, he could hear that there was not hustle and bustle in the classroom. There was not commotion in the classroom. There was no noises of opening and closing the drawers and the wrapping of the ruler on the table by the teacher and the repetition of the oral sentences by the students. It was unusual on that day. The third question is, what had been put up on the bulletin board? So, as usual, on that day also, on the bulletin board, an order was put up, and this order had come from Berlin that in the place of French language, from the next day, the the European language, means the German language, would be taught in all the schools of Alsace and Lorraine. In this way, we can understand that this was the order on the bulletin board. The next question is, what changes did the order from Berlin cause in the school that day? When the students heard the order from Berlin on that day in the school, really not only the students but the elderly villagers, the important persons of the village, all of them were shocked and surprised, and they were full of disappointment and dismay to hear this order. And now they began to think over the carelessness they had done for learning the mother tongue. And in this way, all of them were very much shocked, very much sad, and they were repenting, they were regretting for their carelessness. And the next question is, how did Franz's feelings about M. Hamel and school change? Before that day, Franz was having the negative thinking for the school, for the teacher, and for the books as well. But when he heard this order declared by the teacher, so he was really having the paid figure, and now he was shocked. He was very much sad, you can say deeply sad to the heart, and the image of the teacher, of the school, and the books were changed in his screen, on his screen. Now the book was appearing to be very nice and loving thing, and he forgot all the punishments given by the teacher to him for his carelessness, for his being late at the school. Now M. Hamel was not appearing to be a cranky teacher. The books were not looking to be heavier, and he began to love the school. He did not want to leave the school, and in this way, the image of all these things had gone opposite to the earlier one. The next question is, the people in this story suddenly realize how precious their language is to them. What shows you this? Why does this happen? Now, before the declaration of the order came from Berlin, the people were really not very careful for it. But on the day when they came to know that they were going to lose their language, their mother tongue, then they began to feel, then they began to realize the real value of this thing. And dear students, it is, I think, natural when we lose anything, then we can understand the real value of that thing or that person. Here, now, at the time, in the last lesson, they came to know the real value of the language. And what shows you this? Now, you can understand, when they heard the order come from Berlin, all of them were shocked and silent. There was pin drop silence in the classroom. No one was speaking anything, nor did the teacher wrap the ruler on the table, and he was not shouting at any student. He was also full of solemn and gravity. In this way, we can understand that at the time when we are going to lose anything, we can understand the real value. French things, will they make them sing in German? Even the peasants, what could this mean? In this last period, when the teacher was teaching the students, some peasants came and sat in front of the door of the classroom, and they were cooing, and they were picking up some grains on the ground. At that time, a question came in the mind of Hamel, in the mind of French, that from the next day, a new teacher would teach all the things in Berlin in German language. Now, this question comes in the mind, whether the birds, the insects, and other things would also speak in German language. It means he was very much hopeless, he was very much disappointed, and there was no hope in his mind for this native language, this mother tongue. That is why this question came in his mind, whether the birds are also going to speak in German. Means, really, he was going to lose his mother tongue, and it would not exist. In this way, in the last, I would like to tell you that what message does the author want to give us by this lesson or through this lesson. So we can understand that M. Hamel highlights upon the value of our mother tongue. Our mother tongue is really that very chain which tie the feet of all of us, and it keeps united to all of us. And with the help of our mother tongue, we can retain our identity, our recognition, and we can maintain our diasporal power in other countries, And if